Dracaena cane plants are a favorite among houseplant lovers for their striking appearance and low-maintenance care. But did you know that propagating these plants is surprisingly easy? If you want to grow new Dracaena plants from an existing one, using cuttings is the way to go. Using a rooting hormone can also boost your success rate. Simply dip the cut end of the cane into the powder before planting it in soil. Rooting hormone encourages faster root development and reduces the risk of rot. Once your cuttings have developed strong roots, they can be transplanted into larger pots. Use a high-quality, well-draining potting mix and make sure the new container has drainage holes. Water your new Dracaena plant thoroughly after transplanting, then allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Dracaena plants prefer bright, indirect light, so place them near a window where they receive filtered sunlight. Avoid direct sun, as it can scorch the leaves. Feed the plant with a balanced liquid fertilizer every month during the growing season to encourage healthy growth. One of the biggest mistakes gardeners make when propagating Dracaena is overwatering. Too much moisture can lead to rot, so be sure to let the soil dry slightly between waterings. Another mistake is placing cuttings in direct sunlight, which can stress the plant and slow down root formation. If you notice yellowing leaves, it could be a sign of excessive moisture or poor drainage. Adjust your watering schedule and ensure your pot has proper drainage holes to prevent soggy soil. Propagating Dracaena cane plants by cuttings is a simple yet rewarding process that allows you to expand your plant collection effortlessly. With the right techniques and a little patience, you'll have thriving new Dracaena plants in no time. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to Hydro Haven for more expert gardening tips. Share this with fellow plant lovers so they can successfully propagate their Dracaena plants too.